All right, guys, it's time. Let's install these heat sinks. This is the Bitaxe Gamma from DTV Electronics. Now the goal here is to get this heatsink right here where these copper pads are. We don't want it to touch the barrel jack pads or the back of the Type-C port. That will cause a short, especially with these. So that's the plan. We're going to go ahead and I'm going to use these pinch tweezers from iFixit. They're fantastic for doing these heat sinks. I'm going to go ahead and just set it in right there. Grab that heatsink, and then we're going to place it. And let's see. Let's get this really good on there so I can see what I'm doing. We'll put that and we'll hold it. And we'll let that thermal pad do its thing. Push down real good. Okay, so now we'll flip it over. We're going to get this small one put on first onto this right here. These tweezers are fantastic for putting these things on because sometimes, you know, they're just kind of a pain. And we'll get that turned just a touch. In fact, I think we'll go right to the outside of that like that. Remember, we're trying to get the thermal pad do the work here, so I'll set it on right there. Squeeze those and let it up. Just a touch, and then we'll press them down together. Nice and good like that. And then this last one, we're just going to set, and you're going to have to offset it on the top of that right here. So we'll just pinch it right there. Get these tweezers in there. Like I said, these are really good. Really good for this, man. These are like, it's like they were meant to do this. So, okay, and we're going to set this right on there like that. Okay. Pinch them down. Make sure they're snug. Now I say you give yourself 10 to 20 minutes with these heat sinks on just like that before you start applying power to them. Let that thermal tape adhere. You don't need to just start smoking it out real fast. That's kind of the rule in the shop I work at a body shop is when you're doing 3M tape to let it set up for a minute. Don't just throw it on there and go for shit, you know. Anyways, that's it. I think we're good. I don't see us touching anywhere. Heatsinks look a little crooked, but my main focus is to get it all those contact pads, stay away from the C port, and stay away from the barrel jack. And I think we're in a good spot. So, yeah, that's it. Another little peek at it. See those heatsinks like that? They overlap just a touch. Yeah, looks great. All right, guys. Well, thanks for watching. That's how you do it. Any questions, comments, concerns, feel free to ask. Like and subscribe for more content like this. I've got some other projects in the barrel, a little bit of crazy stuff here and there, mostly tinkering at home. So peace out, guys.